back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes and ideas and things where you love to make in the kitchen at home. Anyway, vegetable soup. I'm always doing vegetable soup. No meat, straight veg. No meat, straight veg. No meat. Alright? I got a medium-sized pot on the stove at the moment with some water. Got all of my vegetables right over here. Prepare ready to go inside of it. Okay, to be honest, I don't have no pumpkin. Yeah, no pumpkin. It's just, I'm gonna show you carrot, potato, and sweet corn, spring onion and all these things I'm gonna be using, and garlic. And we got also some turnip. Stay tuned with this no meat vegetable soup today from Chef Ricardo. Stay tuned. So this is all of my vegetables which I already prepared. I got celery, potato. I'll go through it and show you exactly what I have on the menu. Alright, so now I'm gonna remove the skin, them, wash off it and prepare it and get it ready, so you can do the same thing at home. If you want to make a little portion of soup, all you have to do is just get like a 2 potato, 2 bits and pieces of every little thing you see me have here, and make yourself a nice little soup. But I'm making a big pot of soup. Alright, so you want to make for 3 person. Alright, some soup for 3 person. All you're gonna need is just roughly about 2 large potato, corn and some carrot, and make yourself a nice soup for 3 person. This gonna go for probably about 5 to 7 person or 8 person to the amount of soup. Stay tuned. Nice one. So large pot right here. Alright, as you can see. First thing, I'm going to put some corn inside of it like this. This is some corn which I already prepared and cut. Alright, so I'm putting in some corn inside of it, and you know what I do with my corn, I cut them into half. Yeah, that's the best way to do your corn, guys. Honestly, you can't go around when you do your corn like this. But I'm making a large pot of soup. As you can see, potato. Just gonna cut your potato them really chunky. Alright, I'm using a lot of potato inside of the soup. Alright. But this soup I'm making right now is just, you know what I mean, you can use any kind of vegetable in your soup. You can use yam, you can use banana, any kind of thing you want to use. But I'm just use what I have with me at the moment. Alright guys. So basically, you at home and you want to make yourself some soup, just use what you have. You know what I mean? This is some turnip. Well, you know that Jamaican know what is turnip. Alright, turnip, you can get that in the shop to buy. To the supermarket. You just type in turnip on the internet. Like someone was asking me, where can I get double cream to buy? You know what I mean? This question, double cream. If you cannot find something, you type it on the internet, and you know what I mean, you get it to buy anywhere, local shop, supermarket. So all of these things, guys, when you can't find something, it's good for you to do a Google research. You know what I mean? Use a Google phone. Everyone have a smartphone. Type in, where can I get double cream to buy? Come straight up on your phone. Yeah. So right here, as you can see, you can put a chocho inside of it if you like. But this one I'm making right now is just a simple little vegetable soup. And you know what I mean? Definitely, you guys gonna see exactly how this got. Yeah, back to the story. Yeah, someone said to me, where can I get double cream to buy? How much cheese I use on it? If you're making a dish at home, you put a little bit of cheese. You can put any amount you like to. Alright? Look at that. Beautiful. Easy one. That's the way it goes. All the potato inside of it. There's a lot of potato, guys. Because the soup I'm making is mostly potato I'm using in it. You can do the same thing. No carrot. Alright, we're gonna be using roughly about, there's a lot of carrot, guys, a large pot. Nice, so as I can see, Now I'm going to put some sweet potato inside of it. You know what I mean? If you're making this soup at home, put the amount of vegetable till you reach a pot. That's it. You know what I mean? So you don't have to say to me, Chef Ricardo, how much vegetable? Just put in the amount of vegetable till you reach the pot line. Nice. Celery. I'm using 3 pieces of celery. Put that straight inside of it like that. Spring onion. I'm using 3. Wash them off nicely. White onion, I'm gonna put 2 white onions inside of it. Garlic. Just gonna crush 3 cloves of garlic. Put it straight inside of it like that. Give it a lovely stir. This is some vegetable stock. Yeah, I'll put the vegetable stock in it. You know the flavor, no? Chili, garlic and salt. Pepper. Noodle soup, you know? Some noodle soup in it. This is some noodle soup for color. You can get this in a local shop to buy or supermarket. Cock soup flavor noodle soup, Caribbean flavor. You can get this in a local shop to buy. You only want one of this inside of it. You don't want 2 or 3, you know? You just want it for color. Yeah, things looking good. Gonna put some meat season. No, this is not meat. This is all-purpose season. What about meat season? This is no meats. No, this is everyday season. To see if it contains any meat inside of it. Ingredients. Celery. Okay, yeah. This is good. Everyday season is very good. Everyday season, very, very good. I'm gonna put a large teaspoon in it. Put some spinach inside of it. Just make some spinach dumpling. Just make some dumplings, and now I'm gonna put some dumpling inside of it. Alright. Just like that. No meat in this now, guys. Remember, straight vegetarian soup. Nice and lovely. So basically that's the soup, you know. Dumpling is finished. All the dumpling is inside of it. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna leave it for it to cook. Put a Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper in it. And just cover it. go and boil it for about 30 minutes. Enjoy it. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically that's the soup, as you can see, boiling out hell right there. Look at that. See that? Alright guys, basically, to be honest, with this soup you don't want to cook it too much. Guys, a vegetable soup, you just want to just lower it like this. Alright, to be honest, I don't even bother cook this too much. I'm gonna just simply taste it. I didn't even taste the soup and I'm making it. That's perfect. That is beautiful. This is finished. Seriously, I'm not gonna further with it because I don't want the vegetable to mash out on too much. No, it's just vegetable soup, no meat. Got all the corn in it. Look at that, beautiful. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Enjoy the soup. Subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team, and that's what I'm saying. They just make that cook for a nice good 30 minutes or 20 minutes on a medium size heat, and know that make it go and cook out, you know. Yeah, that's it guys. You can serve it now, leave it as it is, and that's it. That's what we're talking about. Chef Ricardo soup today on the menu. Stay tuned. I will see you next time. This is for the weekend. Nice one, I love it. Yeah man, nice enough, yeah. Soup wicked man. Nice soup.